happiness, and today we're making flour sugar. Woohoo! Pour in some sugar, water, boil it. Get some bamboo sticks and swirl it all around. Go left, right, and make it stringy. Get the mochi. So cute. Then you just split it up in half. These ones are strawberry flavored. Brushing the plate with a acai bear like slide. Plating each mochi on the plate like alright. Cutting the sugar on the side. Alright, okay, you got it. Ooh, yeah, cut it. And cut on the right side too, cause it has to come off and put it on the mochi. Wow, look at that tunnel. $5 mochis to a $50 plate. That's how you make money. Crunchy. JORI MEZUDA.